Hello, everyone, and welcome to Crazy Town. I am your mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson, and here we talk about spirituality, self-improvement, and stuff I like. In this video, we're continuing our study of divination using playing cards with the 10 of Diamonds. In this system, the 10 of Diamonds is known as the money tree, and this is my favorite card for money. It represents prosperity and success. When you see this card in a reading, it'll almost every time represent huge changes in one's financial or business security for the better. So it's probably a great time to start a new venture, and it's especially lucky for those people who incorporate travel into their work. I personally carry the 10 of Diamonds in my wallet, and if you use playing cards in your personal magical practice, then the 10 of Diamonds is excellent for money working. That is all for this card. I hope the information is helpful to you. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments down below. If you are brand new to Crazy Town, welcome again. Become a citizen by subscribing and turn on the notifications so you can be made aware when the next video comes out. In the meantime, you can check out other stuff I've done on this channel by clicking here, and get caught up on the series by clicking here. Also, if you'd like a card reading done by me, you can text me if you're in the US, or visit my website and connect with me on all the social medias. Information is in the description down below. Until next time, I will see you in the cards.